This is Phil Cooper, head teacher at Brough Community Primary School. I'm just going to go through a little bit of a 2-minute tour on how to set sign-in settings on a Chromebook. Could be a real game changer and save so much time for fiddly fingers. So once you're logged into your admin panel, we're going to click Devices. Now, it's a bit crazy because it always defaults to this mobile and endpoint setting, which you never really want. We need to go into Chrome here. So we're going to click that. Now, again, a bit misleading because we don't want devices. We want settings. We want the device settings. So we're going to click Settings to expand that panel. And we're going to click on Device. Now, we're lucky here because device settings can be huge. User and browsing settings just goes on forever. But on device settings, I'm just going to scroll down to the second set of things that you can change. And here we're straight into sign-in settings. Now, I've got my Chromebook set up so that we disable guest mode. I don't want anybody other than my users logging into my Chromebooks. So that's set to disable guest mode. I have it set to allow any user to sign in so that any Chromebook can be used by any pupil. Now, you might have your Chromebooks such that they're one each and they're restricted to each Chromebook per user. But ours are used throughout the school, so they're set to any user. Now, here's the biggie. Use the domain name set below for autocomplete at sign-in. Okay, so you've got an option to not display an autocomplete or to display an autocomplete. Here, you can type in whatever you want. Your school at, oh, it's already defaulted to the at, your school .co.uk.sch.uk, whatever it is. I'll leave mine set up as Brough School. But as soon as you start typing anything differently, of course, I can do it. You can save it. And that way, sometimes it says settings can take up to 24 hours to default, but not these days. They're pretty instant. So I'm going to change mine back to Brough School, otherwise it'll confuse all my pupils. And that's that. So when you come to a login, and it is only when you're logging on a Chromebook, it will default to at broughschool.org or at whatever your school is, whatever your school is. It works so well and is a real game changer. There's probably just one other thing I need to mention on this section. That is this one here where it says erase all local user data. Now, it's not, I've got it on a not recommended setting, but because all of my pupils can use any Chromebook, I want to make sure there's no user data left every time that they log in. I think if you've got your pupils allocated to a Chromebook, then I would set this probably to do not erase, but I like to leave it like that. Everything else down on this section gets a bit techie. I don't tend to bother with it. That's what you need to learn with the admin panel. There's loads of it. The defaults work just fine, but there are some real game changers that work for you, and this is one of them, the changing of the default sign-in screen. That's that.